Claude silently misreads 42% of any PDF that isn't pure English. 42%. If you're a solopreneur processing supplier invoices, contracts, or receipts in any non-English script, Cyrillic, Greek, Arabic, even mixed Latin tables, you're shipping wrong numbers into your accounting and you don't know it. In the next 4 minutes, I'll show you the one pre-processing step that pushed my own extraction accuracy from 58 to 94% and cut my per-invoice cost from 31 cents to 4. I'm Lazar. I build invoice automation pipelines that run nightly in production for small businesses. Let me show you the actual fix. Here's the scenario I keep seeing with clients. A small business gets 50, 100, sometimes 300 supplier invoices a month. They arrive as PDFs in Gmail. Someone, usually the founder or one overworked bookkeeper, opens each one, retypes the supplier name, the line items, the totals, the VAT, into their accounting system. 2 to 4 hours a day, gone. So the obvious move is, throw it at Claude. Upload the PDF, ask for structured JSON, done. And for clean English invoices, that actually works pretty well. The problem starts the moment your invoices aren't in English. I'll show you exactly what breaks. I took a real supplier invoice, mixed Cyrillic line item descriptions, Latin headers, a standard table layout, totals at the bottom. Uploaded the raw PDF straight to Claude with a clean extraction prompt asking for supplier name, invoice number, line items, and total. Claude returned JSON that looked completely confident. Supplier name was mangled. 3 Cyrillic letters got swapped for visually similar Latin ones. 2 line items merged into one. The VAT total was off by about €12 because a decimal got read as a thousand separator. And here's the dangerous part. There was no error. No warning. Just wrong numbers, formatted beautifully. I ran this across 100 invoice test set. Field level accuracy on mixed script invoices, 58%. Almost half the fields wrong or partially wrong. That's not usable for accounting. That's a liability. Now, why does this happen? Most tutorials skip this part. Claude's PDF reader doesn't actually see the page the way you do. It extracts a text layer plus some structural hints. When the PDF was generated by software that embedded fonts cleanly in one script, that text layer is gold. But the moment you have mixed Cyrillic and Latin in the same table cell, or the PDF was generated by older accounting software, or it's a scanned page with an OCR layer underneath, the tokenizer starts making confident guesses. It glues columns together. It substitutes characters. And it never tells you. The fix is one step. Stop sending PDFs. Render each page as an image and send those images to Claude as vision input with a structured extraction prompt. That's it. Here's the pipeline. You need 2 Python libraries. PDF2 image, which wraps Poplar, and the official Anthropic SDK. You take the PDF, convert each page to a PNG at 200 dpi. That's the sweet spot. High enough that small digits stay sharp. Low enough that you're not burning tokens on noise. If you've got a pile of invoices, contracts, or receipts eating your week, and you want this kind of pipeline built for your business, that's exactly what we do at BizflowAI.io. Real production automations, not demos. Go look at examples of what we ship for clients there. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next breakdown finds you.